So I just went a few hours ago. I went to pick up my order because, of course, we all know that I kind of like import a lot, and this time around it wasn't Speed Up that delivered my consignment. I had to go to the Nile post office. True, and then I got my order. You can come check this out. I was really surprised at the state of my consignment, my package. Very sandy. Now just come closer. I want you to focus, zoom in or possible. uh The state of my packaging was literally as though somebody tampered with it. Like opened it up, it was all sandy. I was really surprised until I opened up and I saw the receipts that they gave to me. And I saw that they have already listed out all the things that are in my order. So most likely they opened up my consignment, my parcel, to check everything I ordered before sending it down to me. And I'm just curious to know, like, is that legal? Is that right? Should that be something that is really should that be something we are consenting to in this country of ours? So I really love. Wow. I really love to know. I really love to know and hear your thoughts on this. Okay. So I need to learn how to fix this broom packer. I think all these ones belong in here too, and this too. This brush. Maybe I'll get one of these too for. Okay. Hey, I think this one was. I just got it. Huh? Yeah. Hope you didn't stop. I got it for my dad. Since I don't use this, I don't use clippers. How does it work? It's very loud though. And you charge this with Type C. You charge it with Type C, and it's pretty nice. And they kind of like have different grades of this. This is like the, I think, second to the highest grade. So these are different brush heads for the clipper if that's what you want. So and okay, these are nylon cables, white. I don't know what I need this for, but hopefully whenever I need it. Okay, some packs of socks, and this hub. I don't know why I got it, but it was cool to have. It was a cool buy. So this is like an 8-in-1 hub. So you connect with Type C, and it actually has a very solid quality. Like, so this is for, you have your LAN ports, and these are the other. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. So this is like, I think this is memory card. This is the card reader, 2 USB Type A ports, HDMI, and 2 Type C. So reviews on this thing says it's really qualitative. So maybe I'm just getting this too, just in case I get a okay, shows light here when it's connected. Just in case I get a MacBook in the future, I know I have a hub. Okay, this is still for this. What other thing do we have here? Okay, we have SD card, flash drive. Sorry, I think this is like, got two. Really metallic. It has that metallic solid feel. So one would be personal, and one would be for the hub. Black and silver. Which do I take? Which do I leave? So these are both 128 gigabytes. Yes, I just had a crazy idea now. I'd like to check something. Let me plug this here. Would this would this be able to possibly work? Would my phone be able to read the SD card? I'm saying OTG. What's an OTG? What's an OTG? Is this the OTG? This could actually be the OTG. Oh. This is the OTG. Wow. Okay, let me disconnect this to be sure. Wow, that's really OTG. Wow. So my phone could actually, it's going to pop up now. Okay, here is the OTG. So my phone could actually, access a flash drive through my hub. Wow, I'm so excited. Technology. Okay, so most likely I may take the silver, keep the black, or I take the black, keep the silver, whichever works. Okay, this is more nylon cables. Do we have any other thing? Oh, no. I think I have to import more. So for now, this is all what we have. If you like any cool stuff like this, feel free to tell us what you want and we can get it for you. But this